Hello, my name's Sarah Cousins and I'm talking about gratitude for our environment. When the last tree is cut down, the last river poisoned, the last fish caught, only then will man discover that he cannot eat money. Cree Native American wisdom. We all remember what it was like last year during the first lockdown. The absence of cars and lorries, the loud sound of birdsong, the peace from air traffic in our skies, the so-called encroachment of nature on our towns. Remember the goats who came to the empty streets of Llandudno, and the ways in which we had to change our behaviour in order to solve the problems of the coronavirus pandemic. A year and more on, it's important to reflect on how relatively easy it was for us to do without air travel or taking our cars on the road when it concerned our health and protecting the lives of others. Maybe it's too easy to shrug it all off as a totally bad year. But surely we all had time to stop and think more deeply about how much our natural world and its riches matter to us. The wonderful healing effect of nature on our mental and physical health is now scientifically documented, and we have the potential to slow down and grow more healthily as we interact in more kindly ways with our environment. Whether we count ourselves as activists or not, we all share this earth and its now severely limited and threatened resources. We live on one planet and we are one people when it comes to our future survival. In small and large ways, we are learning daily, if we have eyes to see and ears to hear, just how we earth grabbers can show our gratitude to our natural world and start giving back to Earth's treasury that we have so abused and bankrupted. There are countless practical ways of helping. Friends of the Earth is just one organisation with ideas. There's plenty more. Making amends is crucial unless we are selfishly content to ignore the wisdom of the age. I'm going to finish with another Native American saying. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Food for thought today, so we can turn around and live differently in order to have a tomorrow.